Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Conquer IIT JEE. Machine learning is really popular field in tech right now and many people are trying to learn it and trying to get jobs in it. Numerous people want to know more about machine learning and want to know how they can build a career in it. Usually we talk about what potential it holds in transforming our lives, but today in this video I'll be discussing why you should not learn machine learning. The very primary reason for not learning machine learning is if you have simply fell for all the hype around it. Machine learning holds great amount of hype around it. However, once the hype actually dies down, you might lose interest over it. Hence, don't get into machine learning if you think it is going to be the next big thing. The second big reason why you should not get into machine learning is if you don't have a plan to do so. There are so many students who have started studying machine learning but did not have plan to do so, which has caused them in giving up way easy than who have had a plan to pursue it in their mind. So if you have a plan to begin from the initial stage, it's going to make things a lot easier and clearer for you because there is so much information out there. When you do machine learning, there are varied sorts of problems. So deciding which kind of problem you would want to solve can prove to be very useful as it saves you a lot of efforts and time. The third reason why you should not learn machine learning is simply because you believe that it is going to give you a high-paying job. Indeed, there are a lot of high-paying jobs in machine learning. However, the thing is that these high-paying jobs have a really high barrier of entry as well. Like, you need to make financial investment in pursuing PhD in machine learning. Though it is not a necessary factor, many people start off as data analysts or data scientists as well. The last reason why you should not learn machine learning is if you have a notion that by learning it, it's going to be way easier for you to get a job. In coming years, there is going to be a great deal of demand for machine learning engineers to fill the roles in the field. However, the barriers to enter for these jobs are not going to decrease. Many jobs still requires you to have at least 5 years of experience as data scientist or data analyst. Friends, this video is not to discourage or demotivate you to learn machine learning, but to make your path and goals more clear. The main objective behind the video you need to realize is that having an goal in mind is really crucial, and knowing that with which problem you'd like to deal with machine learning is the prime thing you should know. All the best for your career goals. For more information and updates like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.